Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Hey guys, welcome into the channel. The ingredients that I'm using for this recipe today, I am prepping everything beforehand. You really want to make sure that you do this because this recipe is going to move fairly quickly and you won't have any time to waste. So first here you see me seasoning or marinating my beef flank using some cornstarch, baking soda, and a little bit of water. And to season my beef flank, I'm using some white pepper, Himalayan pink salt, and cumin. I'm simply going to make sure each piece is coated well, adding in a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to refrigerate this and let it sit for 6 hours. For my rice noodles, I'm letting it sit in hot water until it doubles in size. And because I'm cooking this dish on a high heat, I am using grapeseed oil to try and lessen the smoke. I'm caramelizing my beef on both sides. I'm going in now with my ginger and my garlic. And I'm now going to go ahead and add in my onions. And if your pan tends to get a little bit dry, just go ahead and add a little bit more oil as needed. Here you see me adding in my shaoxing cooking wine. I'm adding my rice noodles, tossing to coat. And now I'm going in with my oyster sauce. I love oyster sauce. I'm now going to go ahead and add in my soy sauce. And I love this soy sauce because it has that rich, dark brown color that we're looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my vegetables, my bell pepper, mung bean sprouts, and my green onions. Toss these and get them mixed in there. And once everything is coated, I'm going to add, last but not least, my sesame oil, which is the last ingredient to take this recipe over the top. Look at that. My goodness. And this is it, guys. Just that quick and easy. This recipe was delicious, I gotta tell you. I didn't even take the time to taste it on film because I wanted to eat it while it was hot out of the pan. So you'll have to trust me when I say that this recipe is worth making. Until next time, guys, shalom.